Hey everyone, it's Messiah29, and today I'm going to be doing another unboxing of this special controller for my Xbox. And let's go ahead and crack this open. And let's see if anything's special about this controller. What the hell? Did you guys? I know I'm not crazy. Hold on. Wait. What? Okay, I just opened the box and there's some crazy music coming out every time I open this box. No. Okay, that's crazy. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me. But when I open this box, you hear that? Oh, that is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Let's keep that going. Now that's the sound I like to hear when you open a controller. Oh yes. Oh yes. Microsoft stepped it up when you bought these controllers. That's the kind of sound I like to hear. Oh, thank you, Microsoft. Yes. Let's close this box. Too much music. Peace.